Hello guys, what's up? So if you want to join the how photogenic are you trend on TikTok and looking for the freeze frame pop-up filter on TikTok, then check out this video. To get this effect, you have to go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, this filter is trending now, so you can find the filter in trending. Remember this image, this is the filter. Otherwise, if you are not seeing the filter here, you can go to special effects and this is the filter. Tap on it. Okay, the filter is selected. Now you can tap on the screen to freeze the frame. You can make your poses or you can jump, whatever you can, and tap on the screen to freeze the frame and tap again to unfreeze the frame. You can start recording a video and you can do all this thing. And if you are not finding the filter here, then you can go to discover and here you can search for freeze frame pop-up. Here you will see many video with this effect. Now tap on any video you want and at the bottom left corner of the screen you will see the filter icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites and at the bottom of the screen you will see the record button. You can tap there and from there also you can use this filter. Okay, and if you are not finding the filter from here also, then you can visit this website. Let me go back first. Okay, you can visit this website. Link to this website I will give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see the filter icon. Just tap on the filter, then you will be directed to the effect page again and from here you can tap on the record button and you can access the filter from there. Likewise, so that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this filter and use this filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you on the next video.